So you have your crease line, you're happy with it, you're ready to move on. So what we're going to do next is your eyebrow. You're going to do it in the very same way you made that crease line. You're going to figure out where that eyebrow starts by holding your pencil up in the mirror, like so. Seeing where it starts in comparison to your actual tear duct. It's this eyebrow, it sticks out a little bit more, so that's why I'm doing that straight line. I'm then going to do the same thing with the end of my eyebrow. I'm going to look at where it ends. It's a good chunk of space away, so I'm going to do that. So now I know where my eyebrow starts and stops. I'm then going to look at that line, that bottom line, and I'm looking at the space between the bottom line and the crease. And I am going to start by drawing the space that I see. It curves up the eyebrow right here. It starts to curve up right where the pupil is, right here. So that's where it starts to curve. I'm looking at that shape as well. Looking at how far away it is. Definitely is a little higher up here. I noticed that this goes down way too fast, and this needs to go further out. Once you're happy with that line, you are ready to do the actual shape of the eyebrow. So you are going to draw the starting point and finish off the shape. Now that you're ready to do the rest of the eyebrow, you're going to start to fill in your eyebrow. With my picture, I can't really see the individual hairs that make up the eyebrow. When you look in the mirror, so please look in the mirror right now, you're going to see all the individual hairs. Now, I'm not expecting you to go like, oh my god, there's one hair and it bends like that, and the next hair kind of comes out, and you don't have to get crazy super detailed. The trick is, when you're looking at your eyebrows hairs, you're going to notice that they all tend to go in specific angles at different points. So you might notice that most of your eyebrow hairs grow in this direction, and then they grow in a different direction, an angle. And you're just going to get the general angles of the hairs and how they grow. If you notice that one chunk of your eyebrow is darker, make those lines darker. If you notice that one chunk is lighter, make them lighter. And you have an eyebrow.